Here are 3 things that all great leaders have in common. Number 1, they listen more than they speak. I love how Covey puts this. He says, seek first to understand and then be understood. If you're in a leadership role, your job is to work with people to get stuff done. And working with people effectively is all about communicating with them effectively. And to do that, you have to know what they think and how they feel about what's going on in the organization and what's going on in their lives. And to do that, you have to listen to them, ask questions and pay attention, because then you can shape your agenda and the things you want to say in ways that will resonate with how they feel and what they think. And that's when your communication really starts taking off. Number 2, great leaders focus down to a small set of priorities. Jim Collins writes brilliant books on leadership, and he says, if you've got more than 3 priorities, you haven't got any. So you just have to prioritize at every scale. What are your 3-year priorities or your goals for 2023? And then you have to plan every day around your priorities. You can do it in just 5 minutes if you use the checklist in the expert pack I'll tell you about at the end of the video. And number 3 thing that great leaders have in common, they move things forward and make a difference. Leadership is not making sure everything gets done and everyone follows the rule book. That's management. Leadership is about making sure you make progress, do things better, do better things. Steve Jobs said, we're here to put a dent in the universe. And it doesn't have to be an Apple-sized $1 trillion dent in the universe, just changing how your team processes invoices or trying a new piece of software, making someone feel better about their work. Then you're having an impact. Then you're creating stories to tell in your next appraisal or leadership job interview. And look, I know you're busy. Leaders have so much coming at them. So how do you find time to listen more or prioritize every day? How do you find things to actually work on to make an impact? Well, you get easy answers to these questions in my Leadership Expert Pack. It's a PDF, it's free, there's a link in the description, and it gives you a 4-question framework for perfect one-to-one meetings where listening's your focus, a 5-minute checklist to prioritize every day, and a 3-step process to identify and deliver change-making, impact-building, dent in the universe projects. Hit subscribe to learn more about how to lead smarter, not harder, and YouTube should be showing you the best video for you to watch next right here. So go check it out, and I will see you there.